On delivery, we'll either send a flat deck or high ab to site depending on your requirements. When offloading the packs on site, it is important to ensure the packs are laid on dunnage to keep the boards straight. We recommend all packs are opened and sorted by wall prior to starting the build. We number each board individually so you can identify them. These numbers correspond with the construction plans Framos provide with the kit. This setup will take some time initially, but will speed up the assembly of the walls significantly. Once the boards are sorted into each wall, they should be recovered to protect them from the elements. If the timber is exposed to rain for an extended period of time, the boards will swell, which will make them harder to assemble.